Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Shade in Brawl Stars. Shade is an exciting, epic assassin brawler known for its unique abilities and ghostly movements. To add this mysterious character to your roster, you'll primarily use the Star Road system. This method allows you to unlock Shade without spending real money, making it accessible to all players who dedicate time to the game. To gather the 925 credits needed for Shade, focus on consistent gameplay. Winning matches and earning trophies are key ways to accumulate credits. Additionally, leveling up your other brawlers contributes to your credit total. Don't forget to check the trophy road, as it offers significant credit rewards as you advance. If you prefer a quicker path, you can purchase Shade directly for 169 gems. Gems are a premium currency, obtainable through the Brawl Pass or sometimes as daily login bonuses. Keep an eye out for community giveaways and special in-game events, as these can sometimes offer opportunities to acquire brawlers or gems. Once you've unlocked Shade, mastering its unique abilities is crucial. Its main attack, Haunted Hug, deals 1,600 damage, doubling to 3,200 in the center. The Incorporeal Form Super provides a 6-second duration with a 30% speed boost and allows movement through walls. Consider using the hardened Hoodie Star power for a 30% damage reduction during your super.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.